Hi, welcome to Building with Brenda with Regency Park Library. Today we're going to be building some shelves for our craft closet using discarded book covers, some scrap wood, and some scrap fabric. We're going to cut and measure our wood to be a little bit smaller than the book cover itself. I used wood that was 1.5 inches high. I cut mine at a 45-degree angle. However, you can square yours at the 90 like this if it's easier. I glued the wood and I clamped it to another board to make sure that the corners were square. While that was drying, I started preparing my fabric. I measured and cut the fabric to the size of the book cover. Then I used craft glue to attach the fabric to the book cover. I used a putty knife to evenly spread the glue, as this is the easiest and neatest way I've found to work with craft glue. After I placed the fabric on top and I smoothed it out, I put a weight on top of it to try to keep the spine as flat as possible. Once my frame was dry, I brought it in so I could glue it to the book cover. Again, after I set the glue, I weighted it down so the frame would attach securely to the book cover. And there you have it, stackable craft shelves from Regency Park Library.